This is the H22. It's a really strongly ruggedized, hardened, waterproof, Bluetooth calling smartwatch. You got lots of different controls here, including a flashlight, draining water from the speaker in case it gets wet while you're swimming. You got a complete set of settings in here. It covers just about everything, including setting up the Bluetooth calling and streaming music to the watch. You've got your activity for the day in here, step count, calories burned, distance traveled, broken down by hour. You've also got last night's sleep time, and a complete chart and a rating of your sleep with a breakdown by hours and minutes of each of your segments and a list of the last 7 nights sleeping. All your calling information's here. You can get into recent calls to redial, go through the dial pad, or check your contacts. These are the different exercise activities that are in here. 100 plus, and you can choose any of them. They've all got algorithms. And if that isn't enough, you can add sports, and from here you can do these categories, including water sports. Look at this. All of these have algorithms to check out when you're doing your diving or your fin swimming or whatever else you're doing. Those are all in the exercise section. As you page through, you get into heart rate, showing you your continuous heart rate and the zone you're in at the present time. Blood pressure, which you can activate, and it'll record your systolic and diastolic. You can see trend analysis. Blood oxygen. Touch it for any of these to start the reading. I touched that one so you can see it's actually using the red diode technology. And yes, you also have the last 7 readings there too. Here's that music player. Hit the play. Check it out. You hear that? That's playing from the phone to the watch. Nice and loud, and you have control over all of that. You can even add a game. It's got 2048 in it if you want to play that game. And you can exit that as well. Then you're back to your favorites where you can add even more stopwatches and countdown timers and all kinds of things. We got to keep moving. This side is all of your installed apps, which includes everything you've seen, as well as Google or Siri is in this one. Relaxation. You got a calculator, ladies. You've even got your overall cycle tracking for your period watching. You've got multiple watch faces on this one too. As simple as twirling the dial to bring them up. You can download some from the Tethering app as well. It's really thin. It's super well made. It actually has a knob which is rare to find on a 5ATM waterproof watch. It is called, what? The H22. Check it out.